Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of the body care products that I have been really loving lately. So now without further ado, let's get started. I'll be linking all of these products in the description box below. Let's start off with something that is so essential for us girls. I'm talking about a period pain-free reliever cream. This one is from HealthFab. It's their Go Pain Free. It's a moisturization cream that you can just put it on your tummy and it works amazingly. I've been using this for a really long time. It's so much better and safer than other products available. So yeah, I really like using it. I've been using it for over a year now. This thing really works. The only caution is you should just use it twice or thrice in your entire period cycle. Do not overuse it because again it comes with a lot of strong potent herbs, etc. So you don't want that happening. But this thing really works, and I don't know if I've ever spoken about this product, but if you guys really want something to ease your pain during periods, use this because I use it in the morning and it helps me ease throughout the day. So love it. The next one is something that you guys always see in my stock up videos, and it is the Dove body wash. I know people who have a lot of sensitive skin and none of the body washes or soaps work for them except of Dove. Dove is doing a great job, and I'm so glad that they've launched these huge body washes at an affordable price here in India. I have tried their shea butter vanilla, I've tried their pomegranate one, and currently I'm using the lavender chamomile one. So soothing and calming, and to be honest, I've been using it regularly and I honestly feel it does help you with your ingrown hair as well. I don't know if it's because of exfoliation, but yeah, this is like my holy grail, and this entire tub lasts me for good 2-3 months, so that's great. With this I also use a silicone loofah, so maybe the combo is the best one, but this is a body care product that everyone should have. Next is actually a toothbrush. I have been using the Perfora toothbrushes for a really long time, and it has to be this. This is the current one that I have. It's the pink one. They have a couple of variants. This is something that Perfora had sent me, and it's also got my name on it, and it's a beautiful blue color which I'm going to soon use once my pink bristles are all out. It's an electric toothbrush and it has made a huge change in my dental care. Really like it. This is something that everyone should start switching to. Instead of going on with your plastic toothbrushes, get yourself these electric toothbrushes, and Perfora I think is the best brand to go for. Now along with these toothbrushes, okay, I was also trying out these two products and I really like them. So one product that I incline towards more is their Purple Magic Whitening Serum. I've used it like 3-4 times. You're supposed to use it just like a toothpaste, but after brushing. This is how it looks. It's pretty cool. It's with your blue light technology Purple Magic Whitening Serum. I'm really not sure how effective it is, but I do see some difference. So it depends from your already current teeth shade. So yeah, if you have a little lesser yellow teeth, it works amazingly. If you have a lot of dark yellow teeth, then it'll take some time. You have to use it consistently. But I am so glad with this product. It's affordable, it's great, and Perfora, to be honest, is doing a great job with this. So yeah, I'm glad about this. The other product that I've been trying out is the Perfora's Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. This is okay. I still love my Colgate White Shine. I'll leave that also below. It's so good. It's like the classic product or the toothpaste that I've been using for years. This one is okay, not the best. If you really want to try the both combo together, you can do that and you will see a lot of difference. But the toothpaste one, of course, I'm going to finish it up, but I'll still go back to my Colgate White Plus. The next product that I have is from Quench, and it's their Mama Sika Zit Away Treatment Patches. So I was getting a lot of pimples in between, you guys know, and then I changed my skincare routine, and yeah, it's been working really well. This time before I got my periods, I got like 2 pimples, and I just used these pimple patches from Quench, and these are so good. It's just your basic pimple patches, but these one from Quench, I don't know why they're really nice. I love the packaging and everything it comes in. Quench is like a brand which is owned by Kareena Kapoor, and like she's like a stakeholder in it, and as well as all of their products are made in Korea. So yeah, I've been really intrigued by the brand. Let's see, but this product was not at all disappointing and I really liked it. So yeah, this is another product that I've been loving. Next is a body lotion that I've been using in the night time. This is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Overnight Radiance body lotion, which has got Glutaglow Hyaluron Amino Peptide Complex. It's like a 10 times more vitamin C powerful lotion. Again, a beautiful body lotion. This is so lightweight. I really like this range of Vaseline. It comes in 2 other more variants. I think they should come out with a couple of more variants, like probably a vanilla cocoa variant as well, because I really like it over the regular body lotions, and these ones have been working really well for me. I'm definitely going to stock up on it after it's over, but I've been using it regularly for my night time. And to be honest, it really makes your hands and legs really softer, and plus it comes with added benefits like anti-aging. So yeah, last 2 body care products are probably repeats on my channel. First of all, I just stocked up on my Dove Beauty Finish deodorant. I haven't even opened it yet, you can see. I just finished my other Dove deodorant and I stocked up on this. This is something that I am obsessed with. I keep on trying new variants. The one that I've got today is the Beauty Finish Moisturizing Dove Lotion, Dove Deo Stick. This one comes in cucumber, comes in pomegranate. I've tried multiple of them. I've tried apple pear. So that's there, and I really like it. I think I'm never ever going to stop using it, because the best part is it doesn't make your underarms dark. It is a dry touch feel, and it doesn't make your underarms stink as well, unlike the other ones. Like, I do like the Nivea ones as well, but I feel like after a few hours it starts smelling, but that's not the case with Dove. The last one is my recent favorite that I mentioned in my last video as well. I'm talking about the Innisfree's No Sebum powder. This is a powder you can not only use on your face but your hair and body as well. It comes with a beautiful powder puff. This is how it looks. It's soft. It's got a really nice soft milk finish. A multi-use product, something that you cannot go wrong with, and just for 400 rupees, this is a very underrated product. You guys should get your hands on this one. Those were all the body care products that I have been loving lately. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.